What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm sharing this gluten-free, yummy, fudgy brownie recipe. So let's get straight to it. I'm using some dark chocolate chips, and you can use whatever brand of your choice. Now here I'm adding it to a bowl of hot water, but this did not melt as fast as I wanted it to, so I ended up melting this over the stove. As an egg replacer, I love using unsweetened applesauce. You can always use flaxseed to make a flax egg, alright? I will leave more details in the description. To give the brownie that extra richness, I'm adding some unsalted and unsweetened almond butter. You can use another nut butter, and it's best if it's unsalted and unsweetened, alright? To sweeten, I'm using agave, but you can always use sugar. That's it for the wet ingredients. Let's move on to the dry. I'm using almond flour, and of course you can use another gluten-free flour of your choice, alright? Use whatever brand cocoa powder, add your salt and baking powder, and that's it for the dry ingredients. Mix up everything and you should get a thick batter. I'm gonna add some more chocolate chips to this because you can't go wrong with adding more chocolate, right? And once I add this to the baking container, I'm also going to top it off with some more chocolate chips. To a baking pan, lay on the parchment paper, add the butter. I believe this is an 8x8 baking pan. I'm going to top this off with some more chocolate chips and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. All done. You want to allow this to cool down a bit before you cut it, alright? And guess what? Somebody in my house beat me to it because look here. But anyways, I'm still gonna cut this up on camera so you guys see the texture. Moist, rich, fudgy. I'm impressed with this gluten-free brownie, honestly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try and enjoy the recipe. Let me know if you do. And until next time, bless upon yourself.